Hey guys, so today's video I have for you is going to be extra floam slime. So I don't know if you guys know it, but there's a couple types of floam. So there's floams from the store, or there's homemade slime about medium, like
not too much foam beads, and there's one that has a couple of them, like a teaspoon of them, or like barely any foam beads. And the one I'm gonna do is extreme, so it's gonna be a lot of foam beads. So it's gonna be very crunchy. So we're gonna do crunchy slime. We're gonna do a rainbow one because I do want to save this pink one. If you guys did not see my Walmart haul, go ahead and check it in my YouTube channel on it. But yeah, so the materials you guys will be needing something to mix in, some lotion, also some water, also some borax, and some glue. And I am going to do the color, let's do blue for this one, because I don't have barely any color of blue. So we're just going to go ahead and do color blue. And yeah, so let's just get, also forgot, you also need some foam beads. And
let's just get started. Also, you could get a container for your slime, but I'm using this bowl, so I don't know how you guys can say it is a container or something. But you guys will need a container, and coloring is optional, and lotion and water and foam beads if you just want to do a normal slime. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. So the first step will be adding some glue. Oh, I'm sorry about that, you guys. So the easiest way to take out all these extra glue in there is to get some water. Put some water in there. And just cap back. I can't even talk, you guys. Just cap it back up. Can't even cap it. Okay. Then you just have to shake it. Okay, so we're done shaking it up about a minute or so. So we're just going to open it up and just pour it in. Okay, so now we're done, and we took all that leftover. There's a little bit, but you know, we just took most of it. Alright, so now this is trash. Alright, so we're just going to stir it up. Okay, so we're just going to stir it up. And after you're done stirring this up, we're just going to add some lotion, and this is optional. I'm adding a lot of lotion to mine because this type of glue makes a automatic putty. And if you guys haven't watched my other videos, and my other video testing 25-cent glue, you guys should see that. I'm sorry about that, you guys, but you guys should see that I am making the slime without anything, like just coloring and water. Probably, I think I add water, but yeah, and it just made it putty. So we're just gonna be squaring this up till I feel like it has enough for the best, because we want the stretchiest slime ever, because it is going to be a foam slime, so we need it to be really stretchy, and the beads need to stick on it, and if it's putty, it won't stick on it at all. So now we're just going to stir it up when you guys feel like you have enough lotion into your slime. So if you want to add more lotion, you could, or you can just go to the part adding some water to your slime, well, glue mixture. Okay, so I just added about 10 to 20 pumps of, oh my gosh, there was hair. I almost put hair in my glue mixture. Okay. Alright, so now we can just add some coloring. Alright, so we're just going to open this up, and sorry about that. And I did get this at Walmart, brand new, for only 50 cents. So if you guys are looking for some paints and stuff, go ahead and check Walmart. And I recommend you getting the darkest color, because if you guys do have white, you can make it too light. But if you have a light blue paint, or any kind of light paint, you cannot make it to a dark one unless you have a different kind of the same color of this. Like if I have this blue one and a light one, like turquoise or something, I can't turn it into a dark one. So this one you can turn it to a light turquoise color, any kind of color with dark colors, with a dark paint basically. You just have to add white paint. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I feel like that's pretty color for this foam beads. So we can now get started with adding the activator. So I'm going to add a little tiny bit more water. Okay. And we're just going to stir that up. Alright, so we're just going to stir that up. Alright, so now we can add some activator. So I'm adding 1 squirt at a time. So I'll be right with you guys after I am done, well, almost done making the slime. So I am not finished just yet, but I am smushing the slime into the glue, so it will be a little bit sticky once it is ready, and also the slime won't be turning into a putty. So sometimes if you guys do add a lot of lotion to your slime, have it ever turn to putty? And if you guys are asking why does it turn to putty and stuff, and this is the answer. It is because when you add activator, you add it in the same place. When you're going to add activator, it's much better grabbing the one's form and adding the activator where it's just liquid, and then just start smushing it like this, and it'll be soft, not as hard. So yeah, if you guys do understand what I'm saying. Alright you guys, so now I am almost finished with the slime. It is very sticky, so the next thing, probably the last thing we just have to do is going to be adding the foam beads. And this is very messy, so yeah, like if you guys actually are zoomed out, you guys see my mess right there? So that's a quite problem there. Alright, so I'm just going to take out all the slime over here. Alright, so I'm just going to take it all out. It's very sticky, so you need it very sticky. And yeah, so the foam beads could stick on to it. So we're just going to try to take it off. That's going to be a big, okay, got it. Alright, so there is a slime. So we zoom it in. Going to move it kind of over here. Okay, so now we're going to get our foam beads. And it's time for a ASMR, you guys. You ready? Alright, ready. You guys, this slime is very fun textured. I love this slime so much. I really want it to be very crunchy, so we're just gonna put all of it. Like, let's just put all of it, you guys. Alright. So if you guys do like the white background, I just have a whiteboard. Give it a like. Give this video a like so I know you guys do like it. And has better lighting, because the wood from my cabinet didn't really have the good lighting. I feel like this white makes it really bright so you guys can see a little bit better. That looks... Alright. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a like if you guys do want more slime videos, and also room tour and organizing videos. And comment down below what kind of videos you guys do want to watch on my next video. So yeah, bye guys.